Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max Online class. So, in the previous class, what we did, we have completed the classwork, isn't it? So, what I told in the previous class, in the next class, we'll start the revision for the test I told you. So, today, we'll start the worksheet practice. See, for a test portion, I'll write here FA1 test portion. So, next week, you will be having the test. So for max test, what is the portions means? FA1 test portions. Okay. Max test portion, what you should practice means just July worksheet and classwork. Okay. FA1 test portion. Prepare. Okay. Practice July worksheet and classwork. Okay. For test, for FA1 test portion, what you should practice? July worksheet, then classwork. Okay. W bar S means this is worksheet. Okay, children, worksheet. This is classwork. So now keep ready the long notebook they have given now. You should practice worksheet in that. You already in the PDF book, through PDF we have sent the worksheet mains also. Once again, I am going to practice the worksheet mains today. For the test, you should revise. Okay. So write max worksheet, max worksheet. Okay. Revision practice, revision for the test. Max worksheet, FA1 revision. Revision means practicing the sums for the test, which means you will practice July worksheet. July worksheet we have sent through the PDF. Take that and practice in your book. Okay. Now I am going to revise the July worksheet. Okay. FA1 revision. So max July worksheet I am practicing. July worksheet only you practice for the test also. Max July worksheet. July worksheet only you should prepare for the first round test, FA1 test. Okay, I'll revise that today. You take out the book and practice for the revision. Understand what you should practice for the test? July worksheet only I am practicing now. Revising. Revision means practicing all the mains for the test. First main, it's given in your worksheet. You can see in your worksheet and write before number. This all you should practice for the test. Test is coming now, children. That's why we are revising for the test. All these mains. First main, write before numbers. Take out book and practice. Don't write in the classwork this your revision. You should write in your long notebook. Long notebook, it's there now. You practice the worksheet mains in that for the test. Okay. So, it's the first main we are practicing for the test. Okay. In the revision book, write in your revision book. That is long notebook you are given. Write in that. This all write in your practice in your revision book. That July worksheet only we are practicing for the test revision main. So, what's the first main? Write before numbers. What is this? Write before numbers. You know already, but we are revising now. All the mains I am going to revise it. Before 5, which number? 4. Before 10, 9. Before 23, 22. Do you remember before numbers? Before 16, which number? 15. Before 28, 27. Before 31, 30. Okay. Before 45, 44. Before 42, 41. Understand? So, this is the first main from July worksheet. We are practicing for the test. All the mains we should practice. Okay. Right? Before numbers. Before 5, 4. Before 10, 9. Before 23, 22. I told you, before numbers means you should go one number backward, isn't it? 16 before 15. 28 before 27. You count the numbers, same from 1 to 3. So you will know the answers. From before 31, 30. Before 45, 44. Before 42, 41. Okay. So this is the right before numbers. Then right after numbers. Next main right after numbers. Okay, that's the second main. Second main. Start second main right after numbers. This is all worksheet mains. We are practicing. Okay, don't get confused where it is. Don't dream it. It's in your PDF notes only we have sent. That is worksheet. Right after numbers. So after 2, like this they'll give, but in the test I'll mix up and give. Okay, now I am giving one main full after numbers, one main full before numbers, like that. So right after numbers, right after numbers. So after 2, which number comes after 2? 3. After 6, 7. So I told you, before numbers means go backward, after numbers means go forward. So 17, 17 afterwards, 18. 24 afterwards, 25. 33 afterwards, 34. After 30, 14. After 42, which number? 43. After 47, 48. Isn't it? So this is the after numbers. So first main what we wrote? Before numbers. Now practice second main. That is right after numbers. It's there in your worksheet mains, July worksheet. After 2, 3. After 6, 7. After 17, 18. After 24, 25. After 34, sorry, after 33, 34. After 13, 14. After 42, 43. After 47, 48. So this is the second main. We are practicing for the test from July worksheet. Now keep ready the third main. Third main is right in between numbers. So right in between numbers. In between numbers means middle numbers. You know that, isn't it? So that is the third main we are practicing. Number is given there. So I write there only. Yes, right? In between numbers. In between numbers means what? Middle numbers. Between 2 and 4, which number? After 2, you can think and write. 3. Between 2 and 4, 3. Between 11 and 13, 12. Between 26 and 28, which number? 27. Between 35 and 37, 36. Between 47 and 49, 48. Between 10 and 12, which number? 11. 46 and 48 between 47. Yes. Then 5 and 7 between 6. This is the third main. We are practiced. Isn't it? Third main. We are practiced for the test from July worksheet. Okay. Practice in your long book. I am saying don't mix up all in the one book only. Okay, homework separate, classwork separate, for revision book it is separate, long notebook we are given no, write in that and practice. Okay, in long notebook you can practice all the subjects revision, Kannada, English, Hindi, Maths, CVS, what all will give in one long notebook only you can practice. Okay, so long notebook is there, no? Long notebook for revision, okay. All the subjects means like Kannada, English, Hindi, all the subjects revision you can write in this long notebook. Okay, children. So third main, have you understood now? Now we'll move to the fourth main. Fourth main we'll do, that is vertical addition. Yes, fourth main, vertical addition. Vertical addition. Fourth main, worksheet. From worksheet main, I am practicing fourth main for test. Why we are practicing all these mains from worksheet, children? Next week you will be having test. That's why. Practice one by one all the mains. So addition main, you know how to do addition, isn't it? 2 in the mind, 1 in the, what is heading? Vertical addition. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3 only. 2 plus 0, 2. Any number, you add 0 to any number, same number is the answer. Then 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. Then 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Then 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Understood how to do this main? This main also, I taught you in 2 methods. You can do that also. 2 means 2 lines. 1 means 1 line draw. 1, 2, 3, write it. 3 plus 0, 3 only. 4 in the, 4 means 4 in the mind, keeping fingers 2, that also you can do. Otherwise, draw lines 2 is there, 2 lines. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that also you can do. 3 is there, 3 lines, then 5 lines. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that also you can do. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that also you can do. Okay. Then draw the lines and do. Otherwise, content. If you get confusion means, once again, I can explain for you. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 2, 3. After, in the addition number, after number you should count. 3 plus 0, 3 itself. Then 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Hurry. 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood how to do addition sums? Yes. Now come to the fifth main. Fourth main finish. Now fifth main. Fifth main we'll practice in the revision. Revision means revising all the mains from July worksheet for the test. So now fifth main, that is horizontal addition. Horizontal addition. This all it's there in your worksheet. You can see at that book and write. You can see through PDF and practice. Otherwise from the board through online class. Anyhow, you can practice. So this is the fifth main. We are practicing for the test, the division main, isn't it? 5 plus 0, 5 itself. 5 plus 0, 5. I told you so many times. When you add 0 to any number, same number is the answer. 3 plus 1, 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 3, 4. Next, 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. Then 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 0, 8 only. Understand how to do? One more time I'll explain this addition. 5 plus 0, 5 itself. 3 plus 1, how to do? 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 3, after 3, which number you are kept in the mind? After that number you should start. After first number, okay? 3 you are kept in the mind, 1 in the hand. After 3, 4. 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Okay. So after 1, what's the number in the mind? 1. After 1, 2, 3. That I have written. Next 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 8 plus 0, 8 itself. 10 plus 0, 10 itself. Like that. Understand? So this is the fifth main. Next, we'll move to the next main. What's the next main in the worksheet? You're all having now? Through PDF, we have sent the July worksheet. So next main, worksheet main is add on number line. Sixth main, I'm doing now. This all the mains we are revising, children, for the test. Okay. Test is there now. That's it. So now sixth main from worksheet, which is the sixth main, add on number line. Sixth main, add on number line. So number line, how to draw, sometimes in the test paper, they'll only print and give the number line. If they're not printed, you should draw the number line, then mark the jumping. If they print and give, just you should do the jumping. Okay. But be ready for both the things. Okay. So what is the first number? What is the first number? 4. So jump 0 to 4. What is the second number? 2. 2 steps. 1 step. 2 step. What's the answer? 6. Understand? So second sum, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. So write 0 to 10 numbers. Sometimes if they print and give, just do the jumping. Isn't it? Yes. Yes. What is the first number? 2. 0 to 2. What is the second number? 1. 1 step. What is the answer? 3. 2 plus 1. Answer is 3. Okay. How to do, now? Add on number line. Just draw the number lines and see the first number. 4. 0 to 4 jump. What is the second number? 2. 2 steps. 4 to 5. 1 step. 5 to 6. 2 steps. That is, answer is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Like that on the second sum. What is the first number? 2. 0 to 2. Second number is 1. Only 1 step. From 2 to 3, 1 step. What's the answer? 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Like that. Okay. In the worksheet mains, still 2, 3 mains are there, isn't it? Still 2, 3 mains also. I'll revise in the next class. In this class, I have revised up to 6 mains. You practice in your revision book. Okay. Have you got it? What is the test portion for the max test portion for FA1 test? Practice July worksheet and class 1. The 2, if you practice, that is enough. Tables also you should practice. Doesn't it, children? So, next main, I'll continue in the next class. Still 2, 3 mains are there. I'll continue in the next class. Thank you, children.